and they're off. And the lead is taken by Main Course Sunspot from the outside, and moving up by the rail is Nihao, and entry number 3, Silver Valley. It's now Silver Valley in the lead, followed by Nihao by the rail. On the outside, Main Course Sunspot. Moving up in between horses is Pakalatoy. It's Silver Valley in the lead, followed down by Pakalatoy on the outside in second. Main Course Sunspot running in third, and Nihao moving up on the outside. Wink and Warrior by the rail is Apple Green and Cut. And rounding the pattern, it is still Silver Valley, lengthening now by 2.5 lengths, followed by Pakalatoy in second. Main Course Sunspot and Wink and Warrior moving up on the inside. And at the last bend for home, it is still Silver Valley now by 4.5 lengths, followed by Main Course Sunspot on the outside. Wink and Warrior is Pakalatoy. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Silver Valley by 5 lengths. Wink and Warrior running in second. Main Course Sunspot on the outside. Cut is Pakalatoy, Nihao, and Apple Green. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Silver Valley. And finally, it's a cinch for Silver Valley, Main Course Sunspot, Wink and Warrior, Cut, Nihao, Pakalatoy, and Apple Green.
It's 5, order of arrival. Banderang tapos. Number 3, Silver